Hello my dear friends, welcome my channel Universe of Computer. My name is Shubhas De. Today I will discuss about Facebook. Facebook is a social networking website. It was launched on 4th February 2004. Launched by Mark Zuckerberg and his roommates. Okay, let's begin with demographics statistics of Facebook. 2.6 billion monthly active users as of first quarter of 2020. Second, 47% of Facebook users only access the platform through mobile. Third, 1.49 billion daily active users on Facebook. Next, 5 new profiles are created every seconds. Facebook users are 76% female out of 100% of all females and 66% male out of all 100% males. Highest traffic occurs midweek between 1 to 3 p.m. Next, photo uploads total 300 millions per day. Every 60 seconds on Facebook, 5,10,000 comments are posted, 2,93,000 statuses are uploaded, and 1,36,000 photos are uploaded. 290 million Facebook users from India. Ranked wise, Facebook users are in first position by active users. The total number of active users are 2,603 millions. This is all about of active users as well as others statistics data about Facebook. So up to this. If you like this video, then like the hit button and stay tuned with us.